Are you going to show us how you dance, Nolan, and how you spin now? You going to show us how you spin? Good job, Reese. You can show Nolan too. What are you doing, handsome? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Oh. Yeah?
You're smiling all day?
I'm smiling all day? You make me smile.
But I thought you meant that means jumping on the couch.
Yeah, I did get after you for that, didn't I?
I was kind of frustrated.
I'm kind of frustrated about that.
Kind of
Is someone coming to visit?
Oh, it's Alice and John.
You think so?
Alice and John. Where's Alice?
She's probably coming.
See her walking.
She'll be coming down the street in a minute.